All right, do you guys get sick and tired of watching videos that are like 10 minutes long, but no one actually shows you how to fix an issue? Well, let me show you. All right, these are all the tools you're going to need, and you don't even need 95% of that. The only thing you're truthfully going to need is something something small, thin, like wire hanger like this. And we're gonna get underneath and we're gonna pierce a hole through something that is clogged up. So I'll show you the hose now. All right, so if you drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee and when you make turns, you're pretty much leaking. Oh, there we go. You guys saw the drop of water? Check that out. So I'm gonna vacuum that up right now, but I'll show you how to fix that in 5 minutes. All right, so number one, put it on some ramps, jack it up, or get on some blocks. So right now I have on some blocks, the Jeep's lifted, so it's easy for me to get underneath, but I'll show you exactly what you need to unclog. All right, guys, so I understand that you don't know exactly what you're looking for, but this Jeep right here is 100% stock, and I will show you the location. So it's going to be on the passenger side. Let me get underneath and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, just because I want to show you exactly where it is. So you got the exhaust manifold right here, the two catalytic converters, and this is a V8, right? I have my shop light in there, and you see the alternator is right here. And then if you look up above from the alternator, let me actually, so you see that hose to the right there? So that's where we're gonna go in. So let me zoom out, not the wire, but the hose to the right. So I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see exactly where I'm talking about. So we're gonna put the wire hanger right in there, guys. So let's get that done. Hose is the drain hose for the AC. So we're gonna unclog it right now. It's hard to see, but I got this, let's see. You see the white line?
25 bucks for a CBS book. I'll have to look on Amazon.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today's a completely different day, but essentially you put that wire hanger in that hole, unclog it, pull it out, all that water comes down, and your issue is fixed. You don't have to pay anyone a ton of money. But with that being said, guys, I own a used car dealer here in Southern California, so I'm always getting into stuff. Please consider subscribing. It's as easy as that.